video. So today I'm going to show you how I fix my baked turkey legs. Okay, so with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. Okay, so I have already seasoned my turkey wings, and that is because I seasoned them at 5 o'clock this morning because I was in such a hurry to get to work. But I did not cook them because I wanted to do a video on them. But I will tell you guys what I did season them with. So these are my turkey wings. And I put a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and lastly a teaspoon of kosher salt on them to season them. Sorry, I did not season them on camera. That's because I was in a hurry this morning, so I just seasoned them and I just cut butter and put them on top, and I placed them in the refrigerator. So with that being said, I am going to wrap them back up, and I am going to put them in the oven. And I'm going to cook them on 250. The cook time varies depending on how big your turkey wings are and how many turkey wings you have. I don't have that many, so I'm just going to place them in the oven and I'm going to let them cook on low, which is 250, and I'm going to time them. Then once they come out of the oven, I will let you guys know how long they cook. Our turkey wings, they cook for an hour and 30 minutes. Ooh, steam. So we're just going to check them. Falling off the bone. Look at that goodness, you guys. Uh-oh. That's just how tender they are. So they are done. Done. Got my house smelling like Thanksgiving up in here. They are done to perfection. You can serve your turkey wings with white rice. I prefer yellow rice, or any other side that you may like. But they look amazing. Okay? Look at all that goodness. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my baked turkey legs. Comment below and tell me what you think about this video. Also give this video a thumbs up. Okay? So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye!